Hello and welcome to the fourth video of Helm chart series. Okay, in the previous videos we have gone through like what is Helm, how to install our first Helm chart. Along with that we have seen how to validate in using Helm lint command, and in today's session we are going for Helm template command. So if you want a more clear idea like where we are standing now, please watch my previous videos. Okay, so today I will be demonstrating about Helm template. So let's think of a scenario like using Helm we generate basically all the YAML files which is containing all your files like deployment.yaml, your service.yaml, you get a values.yaml file where you can variabilize your templates folder. Okay, so see, after Helm create, you have created a Helm chart. Okay, and you have deployed it to the production server after doing some changes. So in this case, maybe due to some configuration issue, okay, which you haven't checked before deployment, your productions, your cluster, your Helm deployment got fail on your production server. So that is very bad, right? So before deployment we have to validate the codes which we have created and we have made changes, correct? So for that we have Helm template command. So this will do what? Before pre-deployment it will basically validate my chart. Along with that we will get a clear picture like what are the changes we have done. Okay, two things. So first we are validating the code, and second we are getting a clear picture where what are the changes we have done into our code. So let's go to our lab and let's see the demo of today. So this is my Minikube single node cluster I'm using for the same project, and here right, Helm is already installed, correct? So let's go to the lab and let's create our first Helm chart. So Helm create and your chart name. So it's getting created. Let's once this is done, let's see the folder structure, tree, and your Helm template. Okay, so this is the basic structure Helm has created as per the image, right? Helm has created this structure using this Helm create command. So once this is done, so let's see, use the command before deployment. Like what was the command? Helm template and your chart name. Helm template was the chart name, right? So once you will write the command, see, it has not failed, right? It will show you all the files. Like you can see right now you are in service account.yaml. Here you can see your what type of a specification your service.yaml is using. Right now it is using clustered IPs and all. So you are getting a clear picture, right? What are the things you have changed in your code right now? Okay, going forward we will see how to do it, but suppose that you have made some changes, and like this you are getting a picture of what are the things you have changed. Here your deployment.yaml is there. Okay, here you can see how many replicas are running over, right? Okay, so this ran fine, right? So let's go ahead and let's make some mistake. Okay, so let's go inside the file, Helm template. Before that let's do one thing. Let's okay, so we have validated using your this template command, right? Now what we have to do, we have to deploy this, right? After validation we have to deploy to the production server. So how do we do that? Helm install. In Helm world we don't run, we just install. Let's give a release name, my release. I think one I have my release I have already. This time I'm using this Helm template. Just hit enter. Okay, so you got this, right? Status, it is deployed, and your revision is your first revision, right? Let's go ahead and see Helm list hyphen a. So you can see this my release 1 I have named, right, for my release for this Helm template this time, right? Let's check the services. Clustered IP was running, right? SVC. So for my release 1 Helm template, you can see clustered IP is running. Okay, so now let's go ahead and do some changes, and we will see how Helm template command will help us. Okay, so let me go to the Helm template chart. I'm inside this. Let's go to the templates. Here let's made mistake in deployment.yaml file. So right now I am in already insert mode. Let's do one thing. Let's delete this. Okay, and here let's give some spaces. Okay, this is done. I have saved it, right? Now just run the same command. Let's get out of this first. Okay, so I'm in now in my home directory. So let's run the Helm template command. Helm template Helm, your temp chart name, just hit enter. You can see deployment.yaml error converting YAML to JSON, line number 2, mapping values are not allowed in this context. Okay, so like this you will get the error in line number 2 in your deployment.yaml. You have some issue, correct? So let's go ahead and edit those changes. Let's go ahead. So it is saying in deployment.yaml, so I'm going there itself. I'm in this. Let's edit the deployment.yaml again. So here this was line number 2, right? So once I have made the changes, if you will run Helm template and your template Helm chart name, so you can see you're getting again the same picture, right, where you are getting all your YAML files, deployment.yaml files and all, right? And this one where we have done the changes, we have deleted this kind deployment and we have given some space here, right? So like this Helm template will help you pre-production as a pre-production validator. Okay, if you want to know more about this, please subscribe my channel if you want to get continuous videos on that. And if you want to know more about, please check my previous videos. Thank you.